Hello, Twisters. It's been a while. I've taken a little bit of a break over the holidays. I do hope everyone has had a wonderful holiday season. We have made it through the new year and all that good stuff, and onward and forward. So, here we are. Listen, all new for 2021. I have revamped the website. I'm in the process of revamping and streamlining. So I'm going to take you through the website and some of the changes that I've made and let you know what's going on. So for those of you who haven't checked out the website in a little while, because I know how it is. January tends to be a very slow month for retail in general, not to mention the small businesses such as mine. So I'm going to take you through it. So here we are. We've got my streamlined website. What I found with my other website was it was a little bit geared to for high volume. Now, for a business such as mine, and knowing your client base and all that stuff, I don't do high volume sales. My business seems to be less volume when it comes to a customer base. So I have fewer customers but they buy more, if that makes any more sense. So fewer customers, but those customers tend to buy over and over again and multiple items when they are purchasing. So it's just it's more intimate, which is typical with cottage industry businesses. So I started out with Etsy. Etsy was not working with me. I found that their fees were unreasonable. There was just fees at every turn, and I just felt like I wasn't getting enough from Etsy to value the fees that they were implementing. I was driving all the traffic myself. I was not really getting any traffic from Etsy. So that didn't seem fair to me. So Etsy wasn't working out. Then I revamped the website, and then it was just a little bit too big. So I think this one's going to work out just right. This format for me. We'll see. It's always a work in progress. So I'm going to show you how this works for all of my twisters out there. This is basically going to take you directly. All of my transactions are going to go through my PayPal, which I think works out really good because I tend to do a significant amount of custom work, which I'm sending PayPal invoices anyway. So this works out good for me. So what you're seeing now is you're seeing what I call the storefront. This is the first thing you're going to see when you go to twistbydesign.com is the storefront. And you can obviously enter the store there. And then we're going to have up here, we're going to have these three options for now. I will probably add another page or two as we go. But for now, we've got the jewelry counter and the contact information. Now, obviously, the jewelry counter is, if you go to enter, it's going to take you automatically to the jewelry counter. And this is where you're going to be able to see all of my merchandise. I'm in the process of adding select items in there as we speak. I was sold out of a lot of items, so I had to go ahead and remove a lot of items because over the holidays and stuff and beforehand, thankfully I was able to sell quite a bit of merchandise. So I'm in the process of loading all of this back up as we speak, what I have available and what I feel I want to feature online at this time. So at this point, what you can do here is as you're scrolling through and you're looking at your images, you're only going to get one image here, whereas the other one you could get multiple images. But you know what this is going to do? It's going to help me as I'm photographing all of my pieces. I no longer have to worry about getting multiple angles and all of that, which is really it's more time consuming, and this is really just going to streamline the whole thing. I'd rather just be able to get one solid image and post it. And then if somebody really needs to get another image before purchasing or pulling the trigger, they can email me. And if I'm able to or willing, which I probably would be, I can always snap a photo of and then email it directly to them. So this is another way of just streamlining the site for you. So what you're going to do is you can go through and you can click on, the way I have this set up, you can click on any one of these, any image, any item you can click on, and it's going to take you directly to my paypal.me. And what you're going to do is you're going to enter the amount that the item costs. So if you're buying a $35 bracelet, you're simply going to add $35. All of your shipping, all of that has been factored into the cost. So there's not going to be any more. That's also been streamlined. You're not going to have to worry about paying an additional charge for shipping. So there's that. Everything is already factored in. As you go ahead and put your payment in your note section, you're going to go ahead and put the item number in and, of course, your shipping address. It's really that simple. If you have multiple items, just go ahead and let me know all the item numbers that you want and your final total. You'll have to add that up. And I'm assuming everyone can add. Just go ahead and add up your totals and put that in there and send it. It really couldn't. It's really that simple. It's that easy. If for any reason that you have a very large order, or if you have something custom, or whatever the case, if you prefer, I can send you an invoice. You can just simply go to my contact page. We're going to go back. So we're going to scroll up here, and then you just go to my contact page, and this is going to give you that. So paypal.me, this is where all the payments are going to go, deposits, what have you. All of your queries are going to go here, MalleryWilliams@gmail.com. So you just email me there if you want. Like I said, I can go ahead and send you out an invoice with your final total, and that I can do that too. And of course, all my social media is there, and then the sales policy, all that good stuff is going to be on the contact. So there you have it. Now, back to the storefront. So as I'm adding in items that I already have, keep in mind, I will be adding new items specifically for the spring. I'm going to be doing a spring line. So do be on the lookout for that. You can probably expect to see those mid to the latter part of March and into April. So there's that, and I'm really excited about that. And I've got some really nice things in my imagination that I plan on delivering for you all. So, and you never know, between now and then I might add a couple products just for the fun of it, just to shake things up. You never know. But definitely do check out all of my items. I do try to rotate things in and out to make it a little bit more interesting for you. Share the website out. Remember, share if you care. Visit it often and buy something. Go shopping. If you see something you like, share it with a friend. Always remember, when it comes to the small businesses such as mine and Etsy style businesses, just because you may not be able or willing to purchase something doesn't mean your friends won't. So please share it with your friends, because getting our sites out there is the hardest part. For the most part, our products will sell themselves. It's really just getting eyes on our product is always the hardest part. So that really is the biggest help you can do for me, is to share out some products. If you see an individual product you like, go ahead and share it out. All that good stuff. Thank you. So I hope you enjoyed this little video, And I look forward to seeing you all. If you have any questions, comment below. If you have any comments, comment below. And I will see you all soon. And thank you for all the support that everyone has given me. And happy 2021. It's going to be a good year. I can feel it. I can feel it. Till next time. Talk to you soon.